Greetings, students. I am the student teachers, and today we will learn about the Pythagorean Theorem. I had a lot of difficulty learning this when I was in school, so I thought I'd hopefully make it easier for you guys. And yeah, that's why I'm making this video. If you have any questions about anything I'm going to teach, please feel free to leave it in the comments below or email it to me. So let's hop right into the problem. So the reason why you're using the Pythagorean theorem is to find the hypotenuse of the right angle, which is the angle which is directly opposite from the right angle. For example, the right angle is over here, and so the angle directly opposite to that is this angle. So to find how long is that triangle, we need to use this and this. We're going to call these sides A. That's a horrible A. And B. So the formula for this equation, like I wrote over here, is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So to set it up, it's 6 squared plus 8 squared equals C squared. Okay, so let's solve it. 6 squared is equal to 36 plus 8 squared, which is equal to 64, equals C squared. And now we need to add 36 plus 64. So 64 plus 36 equals, the 4 plus 6 is 10, carry the 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 36 plus 64 equals 100. And now you might be thinking, this side is equal to 100, isn't it? But that's not the case, because we solved for C squared, not C. To find C squared, you need to take the square root of 100. And so, yes, so what number times itself is equal to 100? So let's see. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. That's way too low. Let's see. 20 times 20 equals 400. That's way too high. So if we go down just a little, let's see. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. That's still too low. And let's just increase it a little bit. 10 times 10 equals 100. Yes. So we found our winning number, 10. So the square root of 10 equals, square root of 100 is equal 10. So we found our C value. C equals 10. And you don't always have to use this formula to solve for the hypotenuse. You could also use it to solve one of the two sides. So I was saying, the Pythagorean theorem can be used to solve one of the two sides, not just the hypotenuse. So to do this, we just have to set up the formula again. A squared, but since we don't know A, we'll just leave it A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, so now we need to find A because that's the unknown variable. So let's just solve it like a normal equation. A squared plus 3 squared, which is 2 times 3, 9, equals 5 times 5, 25. We subtract 9 from both sides. And a squared equals 16. Okay. And now if we square both sides, a equals the square root of 16. Okay, but we're not done just yet. We need to find the square root of 16. So let's see. 1 squared is equal to 1. It's way too low. 5 squared equals 25. It's way too high. 3 squared equals 9. Still low. And 4 squared equals 16. Boom! We got a winning number. A equals 4. And yeah, we got one of our sides. So that's basically everything that the Pythagorean theorem teaches us. And yeah, it's really complex if you don't understand the formula. But if you try and memorize the formula, it should be really, really easy.